Welcome to this brief tutorial on how to use BrightLink interactive projectors, including the BrightLink 595Wi with finger touch capability. We recommend professional assistance in the installation of BrightLink products. First, let's see what's in the box. Projector, interactive pens, remote control, and the interactive module for the finger touch capable units. Cables and the wall mount, which includes the wall plate and the arm. First, you must prepare the wall plate. Then you must install the sliding plate onto the projector. Attach the axis adjustment unit onto the mounting arm. Determine the specific positioning and placement of the projector and measure carefully. Install the wall plate using the installation guide. Make the necessary adjustments on the mounting arm and route the cables through it. Attach the wall plate to the arm. Attach the projector and all the cables. Power on the projector. Adjust the projector screen settings like projection angle and focus. Auto-calibrate the projector using the user button on the remote. If further calibration is needed, there's a manual calibration option. Once you have calibrated, place the finger touch unit on the board. Be sure to leave about 1 inch of space between the finger touch unit and the top of your image. It is now time to align the infrared beam with the surface of the board. You will do this by attaching the markers that came with the finger touch unit to the wall or the board surface. Begin turning the green and blue dials counterclockwise all the way, just until they stop. Don't over-tighten. Then begin turning the dials clockwise, moving the circles inside of the ovals. Once the circles are completely inside the ovals, you will see a message confirming success. Press Enter on the remote. A secondary screen will appear where you will place the markers in other locations on the board to assure the alignment. Once you have done this, you again press Enter on the remote, which takes you to the final step of touch calibration. This is simply a series of green dots appearing around the perimeter of the image. Use your finger to trace along these dots, making them disappear as you go. If you require further accuracy, you may use the optional step to fine-tune the finger touch unit. Select Touch Calibration on the menu and begin touching a series of 9 targets on the image area. You will touch and hold each target until they disappear. Once all the targets have disappeared, the calibration process is completed.